Hey Wolfpack, Cameron here from Wolfstorm Offroad. Today we're going to be working with this 2020 Jeep Gladiator and installing our brand new aggressive utility style rear fender liners. I'll be walking you through removing the Oem Liner, then leading you through the installing of your new liners. Alright, let's get started. First we're going to remove the Oem Liner. Locate the 6 black tension clips securing the rear fender liner. To remove, grab a wedge tool or a fastener remover. With a bit of pressure, they should pop out. Next, we're going to locate the 3 8mm screws supporting the back of the liner. Using an 8mm socket attachment, remove the screws. A drill definitely speeds up the install process. We now need to locate the 9 outer support clips that are securing the liner to the fender. Simply separate the fender from the liner with some pressure. These clips are a one-time use, so you won't need to worry about reusing them. We're now ready to install our new inner liner. Using the provided hardware, you can start by connecting the rear piece of the liner to the main middle piece. I found it's easiest to install the liner in 2 pieces than all at once. Next, match up the support holes and hand tighten into place. We can now add the front piece of the liner. Fit into position. Take your time hand tightening the bolts into place. It's now time to fully secure the bolts. Grab your size 4 Allen wrench and get tightening. Now to hand tighten the 3 bottom 8mm bolts from the Oem Liner. Grab your 8mm socket attachment and fully secure. Now fully secure the outside bolts with your number 4 Allen wrench. And that's it. Nice work. Congrats on your new rear fender liners from Wolfstorm Offroad. These liners will handle anything your next adventure brings your way. With their ultra rugged design, your Gladiator will tackle the many trails ahead. If you like this step-by-step video, be sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to be notified of any future new Wolfstorm products and videos. Thanks for stopping by here at